Question 38, for what values of x is, if any, is negative of the absolute value of negative x less than 0 true? So there isn't a whole lot to do here. You can try to plug in numbers, or we can kind of think of it by breaking it up into pieces. So let's focus on this first piece right here. It doesn't matter what I plug in for x, if it's positive or negative. And it doesn't matter that there's a negative on the inside here. Because when I'm done with all this, when I'm done with doing the operation on the inside, right, if I plugged in -1 here, that would be -1 times -1, which is +1. If I absolute value it, it's still +1. If I plug in +1 here, 1, and then there's a negative here, that makes it -1, but when I do the absolute value of it, it still makes it positive. So when you think about it, whatever comes out of this thing right here is going to be a positive number. And then when you're done, you apply a negative to the outside, so you end up getting a negative number here. So that is going to be true for any number you plug in except 0. And the reason is because this is a less than inequality. It's not less than or equal to. So the only number that wouldn't work for this one is 0. So our answer for this is going to be J.